Hello, welcome back to another random hobby channel. My little YouTube channel. And guess what? Who got FOMO? Scheisse. So I pre-ordered Edge of Eternity's booster box. It will come on Saturday kasama nung that was 3 years ago, the Japanese style, Japanese themed MTG Kamigawa, Kamigawa Neon Dynasty and Jumpstart 2022. So hopefully Saturday ma-open natin yung mga yun. For now, drip feeding Final Fantasy MTG Airship Crash, Kikin Merchant. It doesn't help na nakasubscribe din ako kay Professor. Grabe siya manglason. Yung last na draft booster draft set something nila, grabe, nag-enjoy ako. Dami kong tawa habang pinapanood ko silang naglalaro. So, resentful revelation. Hopefully I'm not resentful sa aking mga orders. Grand Pulse 8 kasi meron tayong Grand Pulse Obsession, Queen Brown, Reach the Horizon. I think I don't have this yet. Sleep Magic. I just started MTG this March 2025, so I'm not new. I'm coming back again. Enjoy din kasi talagang MTG. Phoenix Down, Chidor Aristocrat Capital. Wow! Eyes on me! Eyes on me! Squallion Heart. Sana may Renova din na full art. Random Encounter. Na foil. Treno Dark City. And a bird token. So, that's all. Woohoo!